Just think for a moment about how it would feel if your life were completely guaranteed to change in the next 7 days. You would feel good, wouldn't you? You'd feel more confident and powerful. That's exactly how you're going to feel after watching this video, because in the next few minutes, we are going to share with you 5 of the most powerful things that, by following just for 7 days, even the weakest and least focused person can 100% guaranteed completely change themselves and their life. After following these 5 things for 7 days, come back and watch this video again. You will thank us yourself. Just don't let your focus wander in the next 7 to 8 minutes. Challenge yourself to give 100% focus to this video, because these next 7 to 8 minutes will shape the next 70 years of your life. We guarantee that you will see a significant change in your life in the next 7 days, because we know how it feels when we want to do so much but don't see a clear path, and despite wanting to, we end up doing nothing. Losing to ourselves and our habits daily, lacking 100% focus, confidence, and self-control, not getting importance among people, and not having respect in our own eyes, or being powerful enough to do what we think or to make someone think 10 times before speaking nonsense. That's what it feels like. But no worries, what hasn't happened until now will happen now. You just need to follow these 5 things for the next 7 days. The first step is step 1, phone off, screen off, and mood on. If you do this one thing, the remaining 4 tasks will become easier. The first thing you touch in the morning is your phone, and the last thing you touch before sleeping is your phone. You might not realize it, but this phone has become the biggest obstacle in your life. Don't believe it? Check your phone settings for your average screen time, how much time you spend on your phone daily. If it's more than 2 to 3 hours, you're in big trouble. Staring at a screen half the day is the main reason you can't focus on anything for more than 15 minutes. It's why you're already thinking about closing this video or watching another one, even though it just started. Your sleep quality is deteriorating, you have headaches, neck pain, and you always feel low energy and lazy. These problems are rooted in this screen, your phone. Gone are the days when we could say phones were meant to improve our lives. Now, they're deteriorating your quality of life. Those who have given up their phones in today's world can move ahead in life compared to 95% of people. For the next 7 days, just turn off your phone and screen, and see how everything changes. Your focus and concentration will increase, your mental and physical health and sleep quality will improve, and your mood will also get better. Step 2, practice NoFap. Is NoFap a myth? Does it really work? Is masturbation healthy or not? There are many questions, but don't just think about them, or you'll end up doing nothing. The best way to understand if NoFap has benefits is to practice it yourself. The purpose of practicing NoFap is to master self-control. You may have lost control, at least you can save yourself from distractions in the bathroom, but you need to clear the mental clutter as well. That's why you should practice NoFap, to control dirty thoughts. The more you practice, the more you will win. For now, control yourself for just 7 days. Avoid any kind of porn and masturbation, and share your experience in the comments of this video 7 days from today. Step 3, master your time. Whenever you feel like your time is going wrong, it's not that your time is bad, rather, you're managing your time poorly. Time is the same for everyone, and it's not right or wrong. It's people who are right or wrong. You're just not finishing your work on time. Procrastination has become such a habit that no matter what you do, watch countless videos, read books, or try all tips and tricks, something always gets missed, leading to regret later. Students fail if they can't manage their time, employees get fired, husbands lose respect, and neglecting your health leads to illness. If you think carefully, life is about choices you make constantly. So, for the next 7 days, listen to your brain more than your heart. Fix a time for everything: when to study, when to work, when to wake up, when to sleep. Create a routine for your 24 hours, take control of your time, and, most importantly, focus on the first 4 hours of your morning. This is the best time of the day. Whether you feel like it or not, finish the work that needs to be done. It's all about time. Whoever controls their time, their life comes under their control. Step 4, don't think, just do. Most people have a very bad habit of thinking a lot but doing nothing, and this is what keeps us from living a good life. Overthinking is like holding a glass of water with one hand. If you hold it for a minute, it doesn't feel heavy. But if you hold it for an hour, it becomes so heavy that your arm starts to hurt. Holding it all day would make it the heaviest thing in the world. The weight of the glass hasn't changed, but the longer you hold it, the heavier it feels. Overthinking works the same way. If you think about something normally, it doesn't make much difference. But if you overthink, it will start to trouble you. If you think about the same thing all day, your brain will start to feel painful and tired, leaving you with no energy to do anything. Your motivation levels will drop, and you'll feel anxious and depressed. Overthinking works against change. If you want to change yourself, you need to eliminate this habit. During this challenge, apply a simple trick. Whenever you catch yourself overthinking, stop your mind for 5 seconds, count down from 5 to 1, and tell yourself, "Don't think, just do." This is known as Mel Robbins' 5-second rule. Then, get back to what you were doing. The more you stay busy with your tasks, the less you will overthink. It's time to take action. Step 5, become thoughtless. One last thing you need to do is practice mindfulness. If you follow all the other rules consistently for just 7 days, by the 7th day, you will start to notice a difference. We've learned how overthinking becomes a disease. By keeping ourselves busy, we can avoid overthinking, but mindfulness is the permanent cure for this disease. If you master it, you'll become so mentally strong that nothing will seem difficult. This isn't just empty talk. A study done at Harvard with MRIs found that people who took an 8-week mindfulness course, where they meditated every day for 2 weeks, showed an increase in the area of the brain responsible for empathy and self-awareness. Meanwhile, the size of the brain area responsible for stress and negativity shrank. Mindfulness is so powerful, practice it daily. By the way, if you're ready to level up your life, hit that subscribe button and join the journey.